Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are fine. So if you are looking for a way to install Roku on Firestick but don't know how to, then stay with this video tutorial and I'm going to show you how you can install Roku on your Amazon Firestick device with complete instructions. So the Roku channel is a free app that is launched by Roku itself. This app contains thousands of free but ad-supported movie and TV shows that a user can watch without paying any penny. Despite providing with the free movies and TV shows, this app also comes with around 177 plus live TV channels just like the movies. These channels also can be streamed free of cost. The same guide will also work for Firestick 4K Fire TV, Firestick Lite and Fire TV Cube. So let's download Roku on Firestick device. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to hover to search icon left side above the menu and type here Roku. When you type Roku, the suggestion list appear. So scroll down and click on Roku Channel, and here click on white color Roku Channel icon. From the next screen, you just need to click on the download button and the Roku channel start downloading automatically. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. And here as you can see, Roku channel has been installed on our Fire Stick. Now you open this app from here and also from home. So after installing, go back home screen by pressing remote home button, and here hold remote home button for few seconds. Click on apps, and here you will find all apps that is installed on our Fire Stick. So if you want to open Roku, scroll down and hover to Roku channel, press remote option button. A right side menu appear on your screen, so scroll down and click on move to front, and here as you can see, Roku channel is in front of your all Amazon apps. Now hover to Roku channel and press remote select button to launch. So you can use this method to install Roku channel on your Amazon Fire Stick device, and I hope this video is really helpful for you. And please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.